What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't pull that. That's part of the camera. You can't pull that, Mommy. Stop. What are you doing? Oh, that's so much fun, isn't it? Yeah, that's part of the camera though, girl. That's a strap. Oh. What are you doing, Marley? Hey. You got some pretty good cleavage going on there, girl. Yeah. Where are you going? You crawling backwards? You are a wild woman. Well, I'll make it private for our parents. What's with you and my foot, huh? That's been all over the floor. You want to sit back up? Here. Sit up like that. Yeah. She keeps scooting backwards. I'm hoping I'll be able to catch her crawling forwards on here.